Hey everyone, this video is a guide on how to create a custom tiered discount. You will have the option to trigger these discounts by amount or quantity. In this video, we will create a discount of 10% off for orders $100 and above, 20% off for orders $200 and above, and 30% off for $300 and above. We will also do a quantity discount in which we can choose either the same product, the same variant, or mix and match. So we will create the following: 10% off for every 3 items, 20% off for every 5 items, and 30% off for 7 items. In the app, let's go ahead and click Custom Deals, and then we'll create a new deal, or you can click Get Started. We can change the name of the code. Let's name it Tier Discounts, and then select Tier Discount as a deal type. If you scroll down a bit, the tier discounts, you have the option of same variant, same product, and anything. So that's mix and match. In this case, I'll just select anything or mix and match. So you have the option to do quantity and amount. So let's do the amount discount first. So anything or mix and match, and then I'll put the minimum quantity to 0, or you can put it on 1. It's up to you. In this case, I'll just put it to 0, and the amount, I'll put it for $100, and then they will get 10% of discount. You can restrict this discount to specific products and collections, but in this example, I'll just choose all products and collections. Now we're all set for the 10% off. So let's move on to the 20% off, which is the minimum amount of 200. So what I'm going to do is click Duplicate Benefit, and then just change this to 200, and then I'll just put 20%. Same thing for the 300. So I'm just going to put 300 and then 30% off. Now, if you want to trigger the discount on quantity, you just need to set up the minimum quantity. So I'm going to delete these and start all over again. So I'm just going to put 0, and then I'll put maybe 3 quantities or 3 items for 10% of discount. So again, you have the option to restrict it on the same variant, same product, or anything. So I'll just select all products and collections in this example as well. So we're all set for the 3. Let's duplicate this and then change it to 5, change the discount value to 20, and then duplicate it again, change the minimum quantity to 7, and then the discount value to 30. And that's how you will create this type of promotion.